What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on Rosa's activity, Rosa Spearband was on the set filming her new lakon, this year, The Cherry Amore. On Instagram post, Rosa Spearband looked so beautiful and happy on the set, taking their break time, and also got a lot taking photos with her producer Antong and some of her co-workmates and staffs. Rosette Spearband also uploaded her beautiful photo while taking her bag from LV, and it's been a long time since Rosette posted her sponsor, and finally she's back posting it. And today, on a Dex activity, Nadek Gimia also posted on Instagram his advertisement from Daikin. Nadek got his new video clips that shows that it was very cold to use Daikin and it feels like in the atmosphere.